welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be coloring this 613 wig, ombre ginger to yellow, and the colors we're going to be using is ginger, and we're going to also be using funky yellow. So first you're going to go ahead and take the ginger hair dye and you're going to apply it to the front hairline of the wig. So here we're just on the opposite side of the wig, and again you're just taking the ginger hair dye and applying it to the front hairline of it. So now that we went ahead and did the hairline, we're now going to go ahead and apply the dye to the roots and throughout most of the frontal of the wig. You need to stop living a lie. You know we shit like the shy. I know I be rich before I die. They won't respect you till you try. Hey, 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 hey. Designer head to toe. I sit to the head and float. I already fed the pole. Niggas too scared to go. So here, of course, we're pretty much doing the same thing on the opposite side of the wig. Money is so important. I was done. I can go on and on. The cars are foreign. I crack up and start soaring. My heart is torn. Shoot a movie like Barry Gordon. A star was born. My life is like a damn storm. My life full of fun. And I'm one of my hoes born. Now we've made our way towards the back of the wig. Here we're just applying the dye at the top of the wig, making our way down. Finish your done. We got some, but we trying to get more. Hey, 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 hey. Designer head to toe. I sit to the head and float. I already fed the poke. Niggas too scared to go. Hey, 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 hey. I could've like hands and soap. Get a meat lady drag on the floor. It's a none in the bed that I told. Working hard, we ain't having no hope. Go. So here I'm just showing you guys how we got half of the wig done, and we're just gonna go ahead and get into the other half. So we're now going to go ahead and apply the funky yellow to the ends of the wig. You need to stop living a lie. You know we shit like the shy. I know I be rich before I die. They won't respect you till you try. Hey, 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 hey. Designer head to toe. I sit to the head and float. I already fed the pole. Niggas too scared to just showing you guys the outcome of applying the dyes. Again, at the top we have the ginger, and at the bottom we have the funky yellow. So I did rinse out the wig and shampoo and condition it as well, and here's how the colors came out. And so now we're just going to go ahead into styling the wig. I did decide for this wig I wanted to do something a little different, so we're just going to be styling it in a high ponytail and leaving some down in the back, as well as applying wand curls. So we're just going to get right into it. So here we're just going to go ahead and apply some Silk Infusion just to add a little silk and shine to the hair.
I sit to the head and float. Already fed the poke. Niggas too scared to go.
So now we're going to go ahead and get into styling the wig. Here I'm just semi-parting the front of the wig. I did decide that I wanted like 2 strings hanging down with the high ponytail and leaving some down. So here I'm just separating it. Here I'm just hot combing the hair because we are going to go into doing the high ponytail. So again, I'm just hot combing the hair to make the hair a little more flatter. Now we're going to go ahead and get into styling the ponytail section of the wig. So I did use a little bit of freeze spray just to help perfect the ponytail. I sit to the head and float. Already fed the poke. Niggas too scared to go. I could've like hands and soap. Get a meat, let it drag on the floor. It's a none in the bed that I told. Working hard, we ain't having no hope. So to perfect the ponytail a little more, I did add a little more of the freeze spray, as well as like to get rid of any flyaways or any string of hair sticking up. So after perfecting the ponytail, you're just going to take a small piece out of the remainder of the ponytail and you're going to wrap it around the rubber band.
What he gon' do?
here we're just adding some free spray just to make sure that it stays and holds.
I can't decide. This one call my ride. The phantom rose body is what? I made the buffy like the was. I put some more rocks in the watch. Get a finger to the cops. Niggas still wear like Tupac. Let her run work cause you shot. The whole world love you when you hot.
So after you finish styling the wig into a high ponytail, we're just going to go ahead and move to the back of the wig and now apply wand curls.
You know he said like the shot. I know I be rich before I die. They won't respect you till you try. Hey, 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 hey. Designer head to toe. I sit to the head to flow.
So the wand curl that I am using is Red by Kiss Ceramic Curling Wand. And again, we're just applying the wand curls to the back of the wig.
I feel like head to toe. Get a beat like the dragon on the flow. It's none in the bed that I told. Working hard, we ain't having no hope. I feel like a charm. 50 racks on the arm. A tsunami and storm. I stay fly, I was there, born. But these hoe like it's born. I get higher than the odds born. I can count just a torn. Getting money is so important. You thought I was done. I can go on and on. The cars are foreign. I crack up and start soaring. My heart is torn. Shoot a movie like Barry Gordon. A star was born. My love is like a damn storm. My life full of fun. And I'm one of my hoes born. She never by the time. Motion in it and more alarm. Any jeans with a gun. Play with me, it's a whole war. I ain't finished or done. We got some, but we tryna get more. Hey, 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 hey. Designer head to toe. I sit to the head and float. Already fed the poke. Niggas too scared to go. Hey, 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 hey. I could've like hands and soap. Get a meat like the dragon on the flow. It's a none in the bed that I told. Working hard, we ain't having no hope. Go.
So here's how the back of the wig came out after applying the wand curls. And now we're going to go ahead and move into applying wand curls to the remainder of the ponytail.
Working hard, we ain't having no hope. Bitch, I'm a man. We know advance. Give my nigga a chance. I see what he gon' do. Get it better than bands. Gotta got me some bands. Can drip on the ground too. Somebody hook like the down too. I can't decide. This one call my ride. The phantom rose body is what? I made the buffy like the was. I put some more.
I'm going to also just wand curl the two strings that we did previously separate before styling the wig.
The whole world love you when you hot. Think I ain't gave me a shot. They say much they thought I was shy. Took off and went straight to the top. Can't fit me, I think I'm too hot. You need to stop living a lie. You know he said like the shot. I know I be rich before I die. They won't respect you till you try. Hey, 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 hey.
So here I'm just showing you guys how nice and bouncy the wand curls are after completely wand curling the wig. And here you have your ginger to yellow ombre wig.